Good afternoon and welcome to our fast food restaurant.
Good afternoon. Thank you for your warm welcome.
How are you today and how can I help you?
I am very well, but I am also very hungry.
You came to the perfect place because we have many delicious things to eat.
Can you please show me your menu?
Yes, the menu is right here on this large board.
Thank you. What are your best fast food items?
Our best food items are the classic beef burger and the crispy chicken sandwich.
What ingredients are in the classic beef burger?
Our beef burger has a grilled beef patty, fresh lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese inside a warm bun.
Does it have any sauce inside?
Yes, it has our special house sauce, which is sweet and creamy.
That sounds delicious. And what is inside the crispy chicken sandwich?
The crispy chicken sandwich has fried chicken, fresh lettuce, and white mayonnaise.
Is the chicken sandwich spicy?
The regular chicken sandwich is not spicy, but we can make it spicy with spicy sauce.
Today, I want to order one classic beef burger.
Excellent choice. Do you want a single beef burger or a double beef burger?
What is the difference between them?
A single burger has one beef patty and a double burger has two beef patties.
I will take the single beef burger today.
Would you like to add extra cheese to your burger?
Yes, please add extra cheese to my beef burger.
That is no problem, and extra cheese is 50 cents extra.
Now, what kind of side dishes do you have?
We have French fries, golden onion rings, and crispy chicken nuggets.
How much are the French fries?
A small cup is $2, a medium cup is $3, and a large cup is $4.
I would like a medium cup of French fries, please.
Would you like some salt on your French fries?
Please put only a little salt on my French fries.
I will make sure they have only a little salt. And would you like a drink?
Yes, what kind of drinks do you have?
We have cold sodas, French fruit juices, and cold water.
Do you have any fresh lemonade?
Yes, we have sweet lemonade for $2.50.
I will take a medium glass of sweet lemonade with ice.
Very well. I will add some ice to keep your lemonade cold.
Thank you. That is very nice of you.
I have a great suggestion because we have a special combo meal today.
Please tell me about the special combo meal.
You get one burger, medium fries, and a medium drink for only $9.
How much money do I save with the combo meal?
You save $1.50.
That is a great deal. So please make my order a combo meal.
I will change your order to a combo meal to save you some money.
Thank you for your honesty and help.
It is my pleasure. Now, what sauces would you like for your French fries?
What kind of sauces do you have?
We have tomato ketchup, barbecue sauce, and garlic mayonnaise.
Can I have tomato ketchup and barbecue sauce, please?
I will put those sauces in your bag, and they are completely free.
That is wonderful. And can I also have some napkins and a straw?
Yes, I will put many napkins and a paper straw in your bag.
Do I need to pay for my food now?
You can pay now or after you finish your food.
I prefer to pay after I eat, if that is fine.
That is absolutely fine. Please sit down and I will bring your food.
Thank you. I will sit at the table near the big window.
Your food is ready now, and here is your warm combo meal.
Everything looks so delicious and smells so fresh.
Please be careful because the burger and the French fries are very hot.
Thank you for the warning. I will enjoy my meal now.
Please enjoy your meal and let me know if you need anything else.
This beef burger is very juicy and the cheese is perfectly melted.
We use high-quality beef and fresh ingredients every day.
I can taste the quality, and these French fries are so crispy.
I am very glad you like our food.
The sweet lemonade is also very cold and refreshing.
We squeeze fresh lemons every morning to make our lemonade.
I am completely full now because that was a very big meal.
I am happy that you enjoyed your lunch.
Now I am ready to pay my bill.
Very well. The total price for your combo meal with extra cheese is $9.50.
That is a very reasonable price for such a great meal.
How would you like to pay today?
I would like to pay with my credit card.
Please tap your credit card on the small machine right here.
I have tapped my card. Did the payment go through?
Yes, the payment is successful, and here is your receipt.
Thank you very much for your excellent and polite service.
It was my pleasure to serve you today.
I will definitely tell my friends about this wonderful restaurant.
Thank you. We hope to see you very soon.
Have a wonderful afternoon and goodbye.
Have a wonderful afternoon too, and goodbye.